We'll solve this calmly and step by step. When a line is defined by 2 points, we can use the slope formula, rise over run. Let's place the 2 points on a coordinate plane. Now we show the rise and the run. Delta y equals 25 minus 21, and delta x equals 9 minus 7. So the slope m is 4 over 2, which is 2. Because the slope is positive, the line goes up to the right. And since the slope is exactly 2, that already selects the option with slope 2. Choice B is correct. If needed, we can continue to find the y-intercept by using y equals mx plus b. Plug in the point 7, 21 with m equals 2 to get 21 equals 2 times 7 plus b. So b equals 7. Let's draw the line y equals 2x plus 7 and confirm it passes through both given points. Final answer. H of x equals 2x plus 7. Choice B.